This is a used 2013 Ram 1500, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.7-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 1,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include hill start assist, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, split rear seats, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Jimmy Granger Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 250 Highway 171 South, Stonewall, Louisiana 71078.